In today's video, we'll be reviewing ChatGPT, a large language model designed by OpenAI. This powerful tool is capable of generating human-like text in response to user prompts. ChatGPT is an incredibly versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, including language translation, content creation, and customer service. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can understand and respond to complex questions and requests. One of the most impressive things about ChatGPT is its ability to generate text that sounds like it was written by a human. Whether you're looking to create marketing copy, product descriptions, or social media posts, ChatGPT can help you craft compelling and engaging content. Another great feature of ChatGPT is its ease of use. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, and prompts are easy to input. Additionally, ChatGPT is continually learning and improving, so its responses become more accurate and natural over time. One of the most exciting aspects of ChatGPT is its ability to translate text into multiple languages. Whether you're looking to communicate with customers in different countries or create content for a global audience, ChatGPT makes it easy to do so. Finally, ChatGPT can be used to enhance customer service experiences. By providing quick and accurate responses to customer inquiries, ChatGPT can help businesses improve their customer satisfaction and loyalty. Overall, ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful tool that can help businesses and individuals with a variety of tasks. With its natural language processing capabilities, ease of use, and versatility, ChatGPT is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their content creation, customer service, or language translation capabilities. After all, please like the video and share with friends. Also subscribe to my channel.